Good day, hello, this is Matthew and this is 217 Top Trades. Let's go. Today is 9/17 Friday. It was a triple witching day, which means stock options, stock indexes, and stock index futures all came up at the same time. And this, they said, there's one of the biggest ones where I can't remember exactly how much the number, but it's in the trillions that they had to readjust. So they just had to readjust all that, and you got to see some moves, which I will be explaining in here, and we will see where the markets are heading. They did pull back some and are looking to go down forward ahead of the Feds. But anyways, back to my regular scheduled programming, and I will get to all that. Upstart, it hit all-time highs today at 306. It was up $10, up 3.4%. IronNet came down after running up 41% yesterday. It came back 26% down, down $11, down to $30. Space, on probably Elon Musk's their flight that they're doing, they're up 7.8%, up to 26.4, up $2 today. Palantir, it rose but then fell off on this, like I said, not quad witching, but triple witching, where they had like 60 million shares that they were going to sell, and pretty much there were 60 million shares people wanted to buy for a Palantir, so it ran up to 29, but it pulled back to 28.7. Lucid also went up on good news earlier this week that 520 miles for their Lucid Dream Air, so that's good news. 520 miles is that's a pretty good tank, or charge, I guess it would be called. But it's up to 22.9, up 8.4%. Moderna, it's kind of been weighing down the market in its own self here. It's down 2.4%, down to 430. And there is, of this film, Pfizer got denied for a booster shot, so you have to watch that. That's going to weigh down, and who knows about Moderna. Moderna's there next. BABA, it bounced off of 155, up $3.7, up to 160, up 2.4% today. Microsoft, it weighed heavy on the S&P and NASDAQ today. It's down 1.75%, down $5, down to $2.99. Apple as well, it's down to 146, down 2.7%. And you just got to watch for those things in the markets, and that's how you got to look for these, which ones are the outperformers and just which ones are, the laggards and leaders of the markets. But we'll get more into that. I'll be doing some videos this weekend that you guys can churn over and churn through. That'll be good stuff. But anyways, on to my next stuff. Commodities world, gold, it stayed flat on a stronger dollar, down to 1750. The Dixie is at 93.1, roughing on its 1-year highs. Copper, it's down 4.2 to 4.2. Silver's at 22.4. Oil, it stayed relatively flat. Nat gas dropped 5% at 5.0. Corn, it stayed steady at 5.27. And soybeans, 12.8. Cows, it was at 1.2. Hogs at 0.85. In crypto world, crypto, it stayed flat. Bitcoin was at 47,184, and Ethereum's at 3,397. It dropped 5%. ADA, it dropped 2.7% down to 2.35, and Solana, it dropped 7% down to 141. Excuse me. And let's see, in the Dow futures, it came off. It was the one of the leaders. It's been leading, I should say. It's down 0.52, down to 34,571. The S&P, it dropped a whole percent, down to 4,431. The NASDAQ, it dropped 1.1%, down to 15,335. The Russell, it also just stayed flat. So you got to look for that. And then a new thing I'm going to put on here, and I just learned, I mean, you guys learn something new every day. That's why I'm doing this channel. You learn something new every single day in this marketplace. But anyways, the S&P VIX, it is a fear barometer. So the fear barometer, it's the inverse of the S&P 500, and that's why we've been getting a little bit of way down here, is because this is implied volatility of options. So I guess options are maybe leaning a little bit more towards the put side, and trying to bring the market down a little bit. So you guys got to just watch for that. But it's up. It went up 6.7% today, up to 21,996. So you guys just got to look for that. That's a huge thing. I just learned about that. That was really going off right in 2020. So you guys got to watch for that. But anyways, like, subscribe. The markets are going to, like I said, they have been getting down pressure ahead of the Fed FOMC meeting and Jay Powell on Wednesday, 9/22. So just look for that. But like I said, like, subscribe. Tell me if you guys learned something today. I certainly did, and certainly do every day. I'll be doing some videos this weekend, like I said, so stay tuned. If I don't do 2 videos at least, you guys could give me a thumbs down. But until then, you got a thumbs up and 217 top trades. Goodbye.